going to talk with the co-founder and the CPO of Pisarv Technologies, Roshni. She has done her master's in science in pharmaceutical chemistry from DAVV Indore. Her core area of interest is education, medicine, and biomedics. She loves doing painting in her free time. She is fond of gardening and yoga. So, Pisarv Technology was born as an idea to revolutionize the classroom learning experience using advanced technologies like AR and AI. The idea gave birth to a world-class patent applied product called SARAL, that is Simple Augmented Reality Applied Learning, CODEAN, that is India's only offline coding platform, and PDS, that is Physical Distancing System. End users of the product include Indore Airport, leading preschools, and schools of India. In more than 200 schools in India and Nepal, more than 2,000 students are learning with SARAL and CODEAN. Pisarv Technologies' vision and mission are to use the most advanced cutting technology to invent products that are simply awesome.
This is Roshani. I'm a community manager at StartupLanes. I'm delighted that you have taken your precious time for this interview. So, can we start with the introduction?
Sure. I'm Roshni Shukla. I'm a CPO, that is Chief People Officer in Pisarv Technology. I'm working here since 4 years, and I want to tell you about my startup and my company.
So, Roshni, what is the vision behind the startup?
Pisarv Technology was born as an idea to change the classroom learning experience using the advanced technology like AI and AR. The idea gave birth to the world-class patent applied product called SARAL and CODEAN and the PDS also to serve our society in some of meaningful manner in some crucial time of Corona. Leading preschools, schools of India, schools in India or Indore Airport are our end users of the product. Around 200 schools and 20,000 students are learning through SARAL and CODEAN. The most cutting technology to invent product are simply awesome.
Okay, that's great. So, what are the various services provided by Pisarv Technology?
We are currently have 2 products on the market, that is SARAL and CODEAN and PDS. The product are in pipeline, which will be launched soon, but I can't tell you much about them.
Yeah. So, in what ways Pisarv is different from the other edtech companies?
We focus on innovation, ease of usage, and product for life. SARAL is a patent applied product. All our products, be it SARAL or CODEAN, have zero learning curve. So teachers don't have go through extensive training program before starting. Most of the edutech company, as you see in the market, goes through one year or like 6 months subscription plans. But we don't have such products. We are like our product one-time purchase. One-time project, it's your for lifetime. We don't sell junk.
Okay, so what are the plans and the goals that the company wants to achieve in the near future?
Making SARAL and CODEAN are a norm through the country and expanding across various different geography. Currently, we are operating in 15 states and 75 cities. And we also have a presence in Nepal and Zambia also. In next 5 years, we are focusing in different geographies. We want to establish ourselves in different geographies around the world, around the globe. Apart from the edutech, we are also paying attention to innovation in healthcare sector also.
Okay, so what is the company's financial strategy? How does the company generate revenue?
Our main revenue source is B2B sales only.
Okay. So what was the origin of the startup? What made it the reality?
Okay, it was born with a desire to innovate change in classroom experience, than our efforts and dedication, and most importantly, the acceptance and the love for their student. After all, the schools are our customers, and the children are the consumer who are loving to learn with SARAL.
Okay. So why SARAL and CODEAN?
Actually, we live in 3D, correct? And see, everything we saw, that is also in 3D. Then why don't we learn in 3D? Saral enable 3D visualization like never before by bringing real world animal, bird, sea creature, and many other models into classrooms, making learning fun and insightful. Saral comes with a unique feature like touch draw, 3D phonics, more important classroom Saral eye test that is never you heard about in any product like eye test in the classroom. Coding more than 90% of the student can't afford heavy priced online coding solutions. They have not much access of internet in their homes, and more importantly, why can't we teach coding of schools to every section of society? Kids keeping in mind, we created Codians. Codians is India's online coding tool which works without internet, and in the Codian we teach students as they want. It is very economic for the school. We come with complete graded curriculum for the class 1 to 12th. It teaches various programming languages like C, C++, and Python.
Okay. So if you had one piece of advice for the people who are just starting, what would it be?
I just want to say keep patient, stay focused to achieve your goals. Entrepreneurship is very hard, but you are passionate about it's enough. You will succeed it.
Okay. So lastly, I would like to ask you that what is your feedback on StartupLanes?
My feedback about StartupLane. Yeah, first of all, I want to thank you for StartupLane for giving this opportunity for interviewing or introduce my company on this platform, and I want to thanks you a lot for making me comfortable for this interview. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Roshni. So now we have come to the end of this interview. Thank you. It was lovely talking to you. So I'm sure the information which has been provided to us during the course of this interview will help the budding entrepreneurs to pave their way to their success. Thank you so much. We hope to connect with you in the near future. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Roshani.